Have you ever been startled by a popping, rumbling, or crackling sound coming from your water heater? It can be an unsettling noise, often described as sounding like popcorn or boiling water. While it's certainly a sign that you should pay attention, the cause is usually straightforward, and it's a clear signal that your water heater needs maintenance. The number one cause of a noisy water heater is sediment buildup. All water contains naturally dissolved minerals, like calcium and magnesium. Over time, as water is heated in the tank, these minerals separate and settle at the bottom, creating a hard, crusty layer of sediment that covers the heating element or the burner plate. So, how does this sediment make noise? When the heating element or burner at the bottom of the tank turns on, it has to heat the water through this layer of sediment. Water gets trapped underneath the crust. As that trapped water boils and flashes into steam, the steam bubbles have to violently escape through the sediment layer, creating the popping and rumbling sounds you hear. This noise is more than just an annoyance. It's a sign of trouble. First, the sediment acts as an insulator, forcing your water heater to work much harder and use more energy to heat your water, driving up your utility bills. Second, that layer of sediment takes up space, leaving you with less available hot water. Most importantly, the constant overheating at the bottom of the tank can damage the tank's protective lining and eventually lead to a leak. The solution to a noisy water heater is to remove the sediment by professionally flushing the tank. This maintenance should be done periodically to prevent the buildup from happening in the first place. A thorough flush will clear out the mineral deposits, quiet the noise, restore efficiency, and significantly extend the life of your water heater. A noisy water heater is a clear signal that it's time for a service. For professional water heater flushing, inspection, and repair, trust the licensed experts. The team at Black Mountain Plumbing can help restore your water heater's performance and give you peace of mind. Visit them at blackmountainplumbing.com or call today.